Hey, what's up guys? Safa here from Explore Gadgets, bringing you a video on how to deassemble or open your MacBook Pro in case you have to change the hardware or upgrade your hardware. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Before I begin this video, I do have to warn you that if you don't know what you're doing or you are not sure of yourself in opening this MacBook Pro, do not do it. Let the experts handle the case and take the MacBook to the nearest Apple store or customer care. So let's get started. First thing you need to make sure is that your Mac is turned off and you have your power supply out of your Mac. And then close your MacBook, turn it upside down and start it. The next thing you need to make sure is that you have the perfect tools for opening a MacBook. Here I have a set of screwdrivers. Let me go ahead and choose the one that's right. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So we're done with the screws. Let's remove the back cover. And there we have the inside of the MacBook Pro. Here's the battery, the motherboard, the CPU fan, the hard drive, the memory cards, and the CD-ROM. So before beginning, firstly, take out the battery. One more thing, always make sure that your screwdrivers are in a different places so that you remember where to put them. Like separate for the covers, separate for the batteries, separate for the motherboards, and separate for the hard drives. So let's remove the battery. There's a port here. Now your MacBook is safe to open and remove all the parts, as we have the battery, and this MacBook is now powerless. So first things first, let's remove the hard drive. And the hard drive port. So there you see guys, we just removed the hard drive. And now let's go ahead and remove the memory cards. To remove the memory cards is the easiest. You just have to pull these two sticks out. Then their memory cards are out. So keep that to the sides. And let's go ahead and see how the motherboard looks. Firstly, disconnect all the wires safely and gently. There goes the CPU fan. After the CPU fan is out, gently take out the motherboard. There's another connection here. Gently pull that out. So here we have the motherboard, and here's the processor and the graphics processor and the speakers, those USB ports, and so on. So So let's go ahead and move the CD-ROM. So now we have the CD-ROM out. Now there's nothing important on this MacBook to take out. So I think that's it. So guys, we have successfully removed all the hardware parts of the MacBook Pro. We have batteries here, CD-ROM, CPU fan, hard drive, RAMs, and motherboard here. That's all for this video. I will be coming up on how to reassemble the MacBook Pro very soon. Till then, you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.